Good afternoon, Americans, my fellow Texans. We're out here in Dallas today, and I got a cool story for you guys. It's just a sneak peek, and there's more to come because there's a lot of work to be done on a really cool project that we have going on out in the design district. What you can see here on this building, on the face, the exterior of the envelope, you have a lot of dirt buildup, grime just over the years, pollution, anything and everything at the foundation. The coating's starting to fade and fail. So the waterproofing capability is really going away. You have some tuck pointing issues in the mortar joints, and then you have inconsistency in the control joints that are going vertically. So the waterproofing on this building is starting to deteriorate, as well as just the overall aesthetics of it are not exactly pleasing right now for ownership, and there's a lot of work to be done. They really want a facelift on the building because of the location that we're at. Things are really up and coming. So in a job like this, you have special considerations, and there's a certain process that you have to follow. The first thing that you have to do on a scope of work for a building like this is you have to get it sealed. We talked about the control joints and they were being open, and that's allowing moisture to infiltrate the exterior of the building. We have to protect the envelope, and we have to protect the asset. So the following steps that we're going to do is we're going to actually be changing the exterior color, and we can't coat the building unless it's completely sealed first. We have to protect the asset, and we have to protect the activity that's going to be inside. So we have to get it watertight first, and then we can go ahead and worry about more of the aesthetic features, if you will.